Hi, I'm Scott with Colorado Lending Team. I wanted to talk about building wealth with VA loans. I have an active duty client who has, over the last 16 years, bought several properties at different places of the country where he's been stationed. Over time, he's been able to buy and sell enough properties to where right now he's sitting on 5 homes worth almost $2 million. He's about 4 years from retirement, and he will be able to probably retire with about $3 million in real estate, have rental income coming in from the real estate, as well as his VA pension. What happens is he buys the house, moves into it, lives in it for 2 or 3 years, and then typically gets restationed, so he rents it out to a tenant. Tenant starts paying him rent, and then when he gets to his new place, he buys a property, lives in it for 2 or 3 years. And he's been able to use this property ladder to build wealth over the last 16 years. It's a huge success story. He's getting to live in his house for very little money, and other people are paying all of those payments for him. With the strategy, he's been able to take advantage of current market conditions. So out east, where appreciation wasn't so high, he sold those homes, took the equity from those homes and bought houses in Colorado where real estate's appreciating at a really high pace. Because of that, he's been able to accelerate how quickly he's been able to acquire properties and the value of those properties. If you're wanting to do something like this yourself, if you're a current homeowner, you can start doing with the house that you currently own. What you'd have to do initially is to refinance that out of your VA loan, thereby freeing up your VA eligibility. And then once you have that VA eligibility freed up, then you can move on to your next property, whether that be in your current city or a new city if you happen to be moving. If you don't currently own a home and you want to take advantage of this, you'd still use your VA benefit to buy your house. You're going to live in that for 1 to 2 years. 2 years is typically recommended to avoid capital gains taxes. And then what you'll do is refi that out of your VA loan into a conventional loan so that you can use your VA benefit on the new house. At Colorado Lending Team, we love veterans and we love the VA loan program. It is absolutely the best loan program out there. If you're a veteran and you'd like to learn more about how this works, just give me a call. If you're not a veteran, the strategy can still work. It's just structured a little bit differently. So don't fret if you're not a veteran.